Welcome to Frogfoot Holler, y'all. It's Michael. My nephew Colton's behind the camera. And today's probably going to be another short video, y'all. Take a look up. Yeah, y'all see all those clouds up there? Yeah, it's been threatening to rain all day long. And we have probably gotten about 72 drops out of the entire rain system that's come through. Everywhere else in South Carolina is getting a lot of rain. In fact, just a couple of miles up the road, it rained buckets, y'all, and we didn't get nothing from it. But I'm hoping, I really am hoping. But while we're still dry right now, I want to go ahead and get this video done, and I wanted to show you something. Y'all take a look at this. Y'all see this right here? This tomato plant? This is one of my mortgage lifters, and this is a very bad sign right here. So, this is a disease that has gotten onto this plant. Now, I don't see it on any of my other plants, but I do not want it there. So what I'm actually going to be doing is pulling this plant up. I don't want to take the chances of trying to treat it. I'm going to be pulling this plant up and getting it out the garden. Now, I'm not going to put it anywhere near my garden. I'm not putting it in a compost pile or anything like that. I'm going to put it out in the woods just to get rid of it. But guys, y'all need to take a look at this. All right, guys, so we're down here with my one-ball squash in my front field. And y'all remember just a couple of videos ago, I showed y'all that I had itty-bitty one-ball squash on there. And they were just starting to produce. Well, guys, take a look at this. Guys, it's already time to start picking some one-ball squash. Look at that. Now, Colton, get a good look all throughout the garden here, or through this section. We got squash all over these things, guys. And, well, that's not a bad thing. It's a good thing. And I'm very thankful for it. But, whew, we're going to be overloaded right quick with squash, y'all. Now, y'all see how this plant right here has fallen over? This is due to the wind that we've been getting. Ain't been getting no rain, but we've been getting the wind from time to time. And this is the reason why I need to prune my plants, or prune my squash, is because all these leaves act like big old sails, or kites, and the wind comes along and pushes the plant over. So we're going to have to come in here and prune these plants. Not today, though. With the way the weather's acting, yeah, I'm not going to risk it. But we'll be doing it real soon. Now, it has been raining everywhere in South Carolina. And as you can tell probably by my shirt, the Lord has saw fit to give me a nice sunny day today, just right over our property, evidently. And, well, I made a deal with Southern Boy Prepper, Reagan and Kelly over there, that they sent me some rain, I'd send them some sunshine. And, well, guys, I sent them the sunshine, and then they didn't send me the rain. I think it got stuck in Atlanta. But since they didn't send me no rain, I took back my sunshine, and they've been getting rain ever since. But guys, this has been one weird year for rain. Now, I'm used to not having a lot of rain during the summertime, but we're going on 3-4 weeks now with no rain on this property. Everything's been strictly going by watering with sprinklers. It's not good. I was hoping for a little bit by now. And with all the thunder that's going on and all the lightning and everything, I was hoping we'd get some. And, well, it just ain't happened. So I might have to water the garden again through sprinkler while up the road it's raining. It just ain't fair, is it? But I wanted to talk to you about something else, guys. Les over at Lone Star Pioneering suffered a great loss. And it was not a family loss or anything, but it could hurt just about the same. He had to pull up all his tomato plants just about. And he's having to pull up some pepper plants, and pretty much he's having to restart his garden for the most part, as far as his nightshade families. And it's due to late blight. And that stuff is not fun to deal with. But he wanted to go ahead and get that stuff out of the garden so it wouldn't affect anything else. And well, with all the rain that they've been getting down there, it's just one of those things that happens. But guys, Les has been, well, Les and Teresa, his wife, has pretty much been heartbroken by having to get rid of those plants. But guys, they are troopers nonetheless. They are getting ready to replant some more tomatoes that they had started. They're getting ready to go full force again. Yeah, they were down a little bit, but they are not out, guys. Y'all need to go check out Lone Star Pioneering. They are over there in Texas. And tell them I sent you. And check out Southern Boy Prepper. Tell him I sent you also. Reagan, he I don't know if he's like plowing with a boat or what, but he's had so much rain, but he's still got his garden going. I am very impressed by both of them this year. They have had odds that I have not had to deal with. Well, not this year I ain't had to deal with, but they have been really good troopers as far as not letting it get them down for too long. They're bouncing right back like one of those big old super balls that we used to play with as kids. And well, I got to hand it to them. So Reagan, Kelly, a Southern Boy Prepper, and Les and Teresa, a Lone Star Pioneering. A big old froggy salute to y'all. This is literally what it's doing about 5 miles down from my house. And we can't get a drop. Looky here, guys. It is finally raining. Yes. All right, guys. So it's a little after 7 o'clock at night, and it's raining. The hydrangeas are loving it. There's those strawberry plants I pulled up from my garden. One of them. But guys, I am so happy to see this rain. We really have needed it. And I hope it'll stay raining for a good while. All right, guys. Y'all have a froggy day.